How to cancel a friend request you sent on Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to cancel the friend request that you have sent on Snapchat. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Snapchat app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the Add Friend icon, which can be seen in the top right side of the screen. And now here, once you see the interface like this, then what you can do is simply find the person that you have sent the request to. And now here, once you find the person that you have sent the request to, is what you can do is directly go to the profile. And now here, once you are in the profile section, then just tap on the three dot icon, which can be seen in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, from the pop-up menu, what you can do is just tap on block, and after that you can just confirm it. And once you do that, it will directly remove you from the friend section, or if you like, then you can simply remove them as a friend as well. So here, let's say if you have added them as your friend, then what you can do is just go and tap on manage friendship, and after that you can just tap on remove friend and confirm it. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.